Hi everyone, welcome to another video of mouth-watery roasted meat. Please keep watching to see how I prepare this yummy and delicious roasted chicken gizzard and healthy fruit smoothie. These are the recipe I will be using. The gizzard, soya mix powder, garlic powder, onions, ginger, black pepper, paprika powder, salt, bell pepper, onions, seasoning cubes, and of course the oil. I'm going to start blending my onions and bell pepper with my processor. After which I set it aside and start mixing the powder recipes. I'll be taking 1 teaspoon of each and half teaspoon of salt. It's time to start adding everything in a clean pot. I'm going first with the gizzard, then add the seasoning cubes and salt, then the powdered recipes, followed by the blended onions and bell pepper. After which I will start mixing everything very well. Mix it so that everything will integrate properly. Then add enough water to cook the gizzard and continue stirring. Mix it very well, then cover it to cook for about 20 minutes. While the gizzard is cooking, I'm going to start blending the fruits for the smoothie. I'm using watermelon, apple, banana, and strawberry yogurt for the smoothie. Next, I'm going to soak the skewer in water for 5 minutes. This is to prevent it from breaking when roasting the gizzard. Then I proceed to cut the onion and bell pepper. Now it's time to start skewing. I'm going first with bell pepper, followed by a piece of gizzard, then another bell pepper and onions, another piece of gizzard, and end it with bell pepper like I'm doing now. Guys, I use the 3 colors of bell pepper. It's just to make it look colorful and very attractive. So I'm done with it. This is how I'm going to do to the remaining ones. Okay, next I'm going to start coating them with a mixture of oil, garlic, ginger and seasoning cube before I start roasting it. Okay, this is to add more flavor and sweetness to the gizzard, because I believe while roasting the heat will dry up some amount of the previous seasoning I used to cook it. Though it's optional, if you don't want to add it you can leave it. Okay, you can skip this process if you don't want. And I will proceed to roast it in the oven for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, this is what our gizzard looks like, and this is the suya pepper to go with it. You are going to sprinkle it on the gizzard, and this is the smoothie I prepared to go with it. Thanks for watching. Please give it a thumbs up, and if you are yet to subscribe, please kindly subscribe. My family are going to enjoy our suya gizzard and the smoothie in the beach. Please come with us to the beach. See you in my next video. Bye.
Yeah, yeah. Are you tired? Big boy.
Cheese, are you tired?
Oh, yeah, come, let me carry you. Come, let me carry you.
That is Christmas tree. Mommy?
Are you sure it's Christmas tree?
Yes. That's this.
I'm sorry about that. Baby.
Du darfst nicht so einfach weglaufen. You would